You want to plant a plant? Right here. Actually, I probably should just do a 4. I don't see any reason. Let's do that. So let's do one right here. And then one right here.
Make sure to be careful if it's now. One of them like right over there.
Yeah, we don't want to the shell stock. It's not going. All right. Now, you ready? I don't know. Have you ever planted one? All right. Well, it's kind of root bound, so just kind of do like that. All right. Come here, Sears. Grab it. Grab the plant and set her down, or him, her, whatever. All right, it's a her. And just move the dirt like this. Come on. Push the dirt up around it. And then you kind of pack it in just a little. There we go. All right. Do you want to do one? Hop. Woo! There you go. All right. Now, squeeze the container and then gently pull. Gently pull. Grab it. Pull. Alright, that one doesn't look as root bound, so just go ahead and put it down in the hole. Is that the way you want the plant to be?
So this is going to be a pot. You're going to be pot.
Okay, whatever. Just push the dirt around
so
it.
this one's going to be you and that one's
okay. And then a little bit. Alright, we'll do 2 more. We'll do here. Alright, since y'all aren't helping with the shovel, I'm gonna do a real one.
I was gonna. That's the real one? That's skinny.
It's called a sharpshooter. Or plumbers, at least around here, call them bill dookies. Bill dookie.
Ew. Now where's that tool?
Alright, are you gonna come back? I'll do one then.
No!
It's Saoirse's turn. So that hole right there. Here, grab the plant out. Put it in gently. Good job. And push the dirt around it. Push, push. There you go. Good job. Alright, Shiloh, get over here. Be super hoppy. Come on, get over here. You can sit on this. Alright, come on, Shiloh. I'm gonna help you with this one. Just pull it up. Here.
And this is gonna be fish.
Here, here. Can you put that over here? Right over here, honey. Right here. Come on. Alright, I'll just put it right here. So we know what we planted. There we go. And I'll do this one too. Keep the pots because we'll use those next year.
What do you mean next year?
I'm gonna reuse these.
Next year?
Yeah.
When's next year?
Springtime, winter time actually.
Oh.
You start the seeds way earlier. All right, let's water these in. That'll be water. There you go. We'll water it together. Yeah. You're gonna be nice and happy. So you hold it, I'll put my finger over the top.
You're the husband and wife.
Say what?
You're the husband and wife. The husband is the one with the... The one that's taller than that. And the small one with the flowers on it is Tessa. And then that one's gonna be the pepper one. Pepper sign is gonna be. Who do you think that is?
Alright, well that is pretty much all we're gonna do to plant these. There's not a whole lot. We didn't start these from seeds, we bought them because it's late in the year and it's time to get something in the ground here. Alright. What? Alright, well if y'all like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. And oops. Oh wow. I don't know what's happening. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one. Oh, how did that happen?
You did that.
Yeah. Oh, she got it too.
Yeah. That was a good answer, Don't bring Sasha.
Well, maybe you shouldn't attack the water spout. Alright. Alrighty. You're crazy. I love y'all.
No, you're crazy.
I'm normally crazy.
No, you're weird. Not normal.
Alright. Water your sister. Hey! Hey, careful. Don't need that much water. I hope you don't get mad. No! Here, water these.
I'm totally
I know. How did that happen?
You deserve that. Ew, you stinky hat.
Oh, block.
Run over that.
I don't think so.
Can you move this way? Water these so they don't overflow that way. Let me bring it. Can you? Let's go this way. Come on.
Uh-oh. It's kinked. What do you do if it's kinked?
Look.
Almost got her in the face. Poor baby. She doesn't love water hoses at all. Hey, don't water over there. That's poison ivy.
Jump.
Hey,
No, get that out of the... No.